This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first order of business is to open any search engine that you prefer, then type in or input the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results that your respective search engine provides you with, you will need to look for official epicgames.com website or Fortnite.com website as well. Fortnite.com website will work as well. So go for the one of the two aforementioned web pages or URLs, wait for it to load, then it will suggest that you download the file, so go for the download anyway option. Once the file is downloaded, open it, then grant the install unknown apps permission to whatever web browser you have downloaded this APK file with. In my case, that is Google Chrome. After you do that, open the file once again. I've accidentally closed the dialog window that I had, so I'll just confirm the installation manually, like that. Then open the Epic Games Store. Once it is successfully installed, then open the Fortnite game page this time and tap the install button. And now let's wait for the game to be downloaded and installed. Alrighty, so as you can see, once the Fortnite game this time is ready to be installed, the system asks that we grant the same permission, but this time for the Epic Games Store instead of a web browser, that is the install unknown apps. So let's allow it, then confirm the game installation, and I've accidentally cancelled it, so I'll just do that manually again. So install. And well, as you can see, the Fortnite was successfully downloaded and installed, and now you can just go ahead and launch the game. In here, simply wait for it to finish downloading all of the remaining resources, updates, and what's not. As you can see, the update size is pretty big. It's just over 7 gigabytes in size, so it might take a minute or two, so be patient. But as far as this video goes, that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.